Okay. I may have redeemed myself on this one, but here it is. The Country Air Reburst. This is the box off of the old K223. The light blue one I had was all rusty. This is basically everything off of the Country Air except for the handle and the pieces of Venetian blinds, as one of my fellow YouTubes puts it. Not gonna say names, but he has a lot of GE fans. I guess he's a big GE fan. Haha. Anyways, here it is. This is done. This is a different color. Still that crappy Rust-Oleum paint. The color I had for the other one was pretty much spot on for original Country Air. But blade's polished now. It's almost like a mirror. Except for the back. The back was really bad. So I had to paint it with some silver paint. Looks pretty much original other than the handle, and it's got the split blade mounting. And it's got the cord off the 223 on it. And the little feet. There's a dead giveaway. But it functions well. Some few unsightly screw holes, but not too worried about it. I even put the speed selector on there, which I swear anything makes this paint bubble. It is so picky. I got a little spray glue on there that made it right there, made it bubble. But it's almost like you need to bake it before it's good and dry. But anyways, here she is on low. Runs just as good as ever. And honestly, with the blades, the grates on it, this thing's about as rigid as it was in the other box. Back together in time for winter to sit around and do nothing. But anyways, there's the video. I guess it's a Lakewood Country Air P20223. I don't know what. But anyways, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.